Welcome to the 9th HardTech Summit. Thank you all for joining us today. Engage, connect. Today is about bringing community together and celebrating progress. Let that begin now.
The depth of partnership and the willingness to partner is an exciting time because of the pace of innovation, and great for startups that are out solving really unique problems quickly.
I do think there are opportunities to show real results for real human beings that care about jobs in their backyards, and the Midwest is an amazing place to do that. We have big cities, we've got rural areas, we've got a lot of manufacturing, we've got a lot of people that make things. So we have natural opportunities to build the kinds of coalitions around ideas that matter and fundamental things that matter to all Americans.
You got to spend time with your employees. You got to think about what's meaningful to them. You got to use the language and tell stories that makes that language come to life. Language can be the oxygen of the organization if you're telling stories that are meaningful for the people.
9 years ago, we launched mHUB to advance technology and rebuild the industrial economy. As mHUB approaches its 10th year, it does so with unrelenting resolve, building our next chapter on a strong foundation and growing national momentum.